I'm setting myself a challenge for 60 days to grow this channel. So currently I only have 1.2k subscribers and 600 views and about 2 hours of watch time, which is not great apart from the subscribers maybe, but I gained those a long time ago. So the plan to grow this channel is simply to upload one long form video every day and upload 2 to 4 short form content every day as well, and create better quality thumbnails and titles because my click-through rate is very low and I've been getting some impressions, but yeah, as my click-through rate is very low, I'm unable to get views. Then the goal is to get 2k to 3k subscribers and 100,000 views, as well as 100,000 watch hours. That's my goal right now. So I plan to do this challenge starting today, or starting from when this video is uploaded. Then 60 days after that is when this challenge will end, and I'm planning to meet these goals. So to achieve these goals, as you can see, the plan is set out there, but I plan to, the way I'll create videos is simply by ideation, scripting, editing, and publishing. Simply by that. So ideation, just get some video ideas through vidIQ or YouTube, watch some videos there. Then scripting, create a script like I do. This is basically my script for this video. I just see this and read through. Yeah, editing, I wanna switch from the editing of my first 2 videos, which were sort of comedic and funny. Yeah, I wanna make it more simple but still make it more funny. Yeah, then publishing, uploading my videos every day, but I don't want to schedule them. Yeah, because I don't know, I just don't like scheduling. So this is the plan to achieve my goals basically. So if you wanna be part of this, you can subscribe, join my Telegram, because I'll be posting updates there, and I'll be posting assets as well on how I create my thumbnails, stuff like that, basic stuff, which should help you improve your channel as well. So if you wanna improve your channel as well, subscribe, follow the Telegram channel, and that's it for today.